Something we know deeply at Life Rocks is that passion teaches louder than words, and passion teaches louder than intellect. And we might be really into science things and love all of the facts, but unless we can tell a story and put things into a context for children that's more meaningful than just a collection of disparate facts, doesn't really stick. And I'm sure we can all know from experience and having been taught, we've all been students, when a teacher is passionate about a subject and they know about it, they can transmit that passion. And it's sort of, it doesn't always matter exactly what that teacher is saying. The energy and the passion speaks and connects students to the topic through that. What we've tried to do at Life Rocks is package that passion for science and combine it with art, science, and this simplified context-driven mode of learning, which is learning through experience, learning through doing, learning through interacting, learning through playing. So this is why the kits, this is why the board games, this is why the cards that we've developed, not only in oceans now, but also in soils, crystals, metals, and some more coming out later in this year. John, throughout creating this card game that's got the different habitats, where this is actually a standalone product that's separate to the incursions that are going into schools. But we find that taking these resources, taking these card games in as teaching aids into the classroom can allow a teacher to activate that passion, because oftentimes teachers are resource poor, they're time poor, and they don't have the type of resources at hand to make a classroom really pop when it comes to a particular subject or offering. So that's essentially what the ambassadors are up to here, is creating the experiences so that they can go to a classroom and transmit that passion, but also to leave behind an offering and a resource for the teachers at that school to go, hey, this gives you exactly everything that you need to teach a class on oceans. Make it fun, make it scientific, and cater to all of the students' needs